As you all know, Unity was founded on prayer, and there's been someone praying nonstop, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at Unity, at Silent Unity in the tower there at Unity Village for over 130 and maybe over 135 years. So when you submit a prayer locally in your local prayer box, that consciousness of prayer is connected with every prayer request that ever has been submitted and ever will be submitted and through our unity oneness consciousness. So whatever it is that you have on your heart or on your mind today, whether you've had an opportunity to write it down and submit it to the prayer box, just know that it is being included in this moment. And you can take a moment and just send that request from your heart out to the prayer box there locally, knowing that it connects with unity and silent unity. And we'll take this moment together in prayer. If you are comfortable closing your outer eyes, let's take a deep breath in and release. We're connected in this moment, in this consciousness of prayer, calling upon the Christ consciousness indwelling in each and every one of us. We know that there is no prayer too great or too small for that power and that presence that we call God, Source, Substance, the universe, by many names, the great mystery, Creator, by whatever name that we name this presence and this power. We know by the teachings of our way shower and master teacher Jesus that all we have to do is claim our good. There's nothing too great, nothing too small. It doesn't matter if it's finances, health, well-being, mental, physical, spiritual, relationships, whatever it may be. We can bring it to this consciousness and know that it is done. And for this and so much more, we simply say, thank you, thank you, thank you. And so it is. Amen. So we move into our time of meditation, staying in that prayer consciousness, holding that space of oneness. We bring our attention to our breath. Noticing as we're breathing in and we're breathing out, there's the natural rise and fall. You may notice it in your chest or deep in your belly. The breath can be cleansing, maybe energizing, it may be relaxing you in this very moment. Let your attention follow your breath as it moves deep within. Deeper and deeper still to the very center of your being. your secret place of the Most High. This is where you know the very truth of your being. You know that you are love. You are joy. And you are peace. With every breath that moves through your being. Feeling the very presence of your higher self in this moment. We spend a brief time in the silence. Together, let's take another deep breath in and release. With that breath, we bring our attention back to this moment and this time, fully connected, fully feeling our oneness and the presence, the Christ consciousness, the unity consciousness in each and every one of us. And for this truth, this presence and this power and so much more, we say thank you. Thank you, and so it is.